Arrive in style with this Chrysler 2018 Pacifica Touring L. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bright white clear coat, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 9-speed 948 TEFWD automatic, STD, quick order package 27L included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS transmission, 9-speed 948 TEFWD automatic, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, manufacturer's statement of origin, toffee seats, toffee cognac alloy perforated leather trim bucket seats and tires, P235/65R17 BSWS, STD. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.